Today I'm going to share a skincare routine for acne-prone skin using all products from COSRX. This includes both their AC Collection line and also their very popular original clear pads. Also, something to note about COSRX is that all of their products are free of parabens, silicones, artificial fragrances, mineral oils, and alcohol. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off with their Calming Foam Cleanser. This is made with salicylic acid and also centella. This includes their Centel COSRX complex, which is included in all of their AC Collection products. The Centel COSRX complex has 3 forms of centella, and that consists of matacassic acid, asiaticoside, and also azotic acid. And these are all supposed to be very healing ingredients that are supposed to help treat acne and heal the skin without any irritation. This cleanser is supposed to control oil and also gently exfoliate. So if you do have acne-prone skin, oily or combination skin, this is a cleanser that you might like. Then going in with their original clear pad. Basically, this is cotton pads soaked in essence. So this is a toner. It has 85% willow bark extract, which is a BHA to help reduce breakouts and also smooth texture. This also has 1% bentane salicylate, which is a low irritation BHA. This is supposed to help with clearing congested pores and balancing oil production. The next product I go in with is also a toner, so you definitely do not need to do both of these products. You could do one or the other, but I've been testing them both out, so I figured I would include them both in this video. So the AC Collection Calming Liquid Mild, this is a gentle and soothing toner to remove excess sebum and also prevent breakouts. It has the Centel COSRX complex, which again is that 3 forms of centella. Very healing ingredients. This toner is alcohol free. It's great for sensitive skin. It's supposed to help to maintain the oil moisture balance and also calm irritation. They do have an intensive version of this, but again, this is the mild version. Then onto their AC Collection Blemish Spot Clearing Serum. This is a serum that is supposed to clear all traces of acne, including active acne and also red marks, dark spots, and scars. This is made with 85% propolis extract. It also has 4% niacinamide, which you've probably heard that ingredient used in a lot of skincare. That ingredient can be really helpful for calming the skin and also helping with uneven skin tone. Again, this has the Centel COSRX complex, those 3 forms of centella, and this is even supposed to help with regenerating depressed scars, which I will be doing a full review for these, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already and you are interested in seeing my review for these. Next, the AC Collection Lightweight Moisturizer. This includes propolis extract, aloe vera water, and also green tea water. Again, it has the Centel COSRX complex. This has a very light texture. It's oil-free, and this is supposed to be both soothing and healing. Then lastly, the AC Collection Ultimate Spot Cream. This is a spot treatment to gently heal acne. Again, it has the Centel COSRX complex, which makes this spot treatment very gentle and very calming to the skin. It's supposed to help to dry out pimples without drying out your skin. It has zinc oxide, calamine, and aloe leaf water, which are all supposed to help with healing blemishes. I've been testing out this skincare routine for almost a month now, and I am going to be doing a full review on each of these products. I'm going to be showing before and after pictures, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it when I do post that video. But I do overall think that this is a great skincare routine if you do have acne-prone skin. Definitely a great place to start. All of the products are very gentle and they don't cause any irritation, so I definitely think that these products are worth checking out.